Hey guys, Kinsey here, and I'm back with another unboxing. Recently, I actually weirdly won one of those retweet competition thingies on Twitter, and I won the We Happy Few special edition time capsule thing! Yay! And this was actually a game that I was kind of excited about at first because it's, you know, kind of Bioshocky and things like that. We Happy Few. And I started playing it, and it's okay. It's okay, it's kind of buggy, but but I really like the premise, because, you know, it's so, like, weird and creepy, and about the society that the way they made people okay with the way the government was running things was having them take this pill called joy. And when you stop taking your joy, then you're a downer. And, you know, you start realizing the horrors of life. Sound familiar? So I won this from Gearbox in their online Twitter competition. At least I'm pretty sure it was Twitter. But, so to start with, they sent me a card. We'll see what that says first. Gearbox Publishing. Kinsey, thank you so much for your interest in We Happy Few. We hope your new time capsule brings you joy. Uh-oh. So, awesome. Well, you know what? Let's see how joyful it is and open it on up. Alright, so it opens like this, which is kind of nice. First thing is the user manual for the alarm clock. Okay, let's do this one first, because this is right here. I think this is poster? Let's find out. Maybe. Open! Come on, Kinsey, how hard is it to rip a very small piece of paper? Ah, so hard, apparently! I don't want to hurt the poster, so... Damn you and your 0 fingernails. Oh, don't rip the poster, Kinsey. Or your finger. Okay, we're in. Alright. Whoop, whoop. So this is a bunch of the propaganda type posters. We have that one. This one. Ah, they're so curly. And we have this one. New strawberry joy. I do love it when my weird government medication has flavor. Alright. So this comes out as one whole giant piece. Is there anything back here? Oh, there's stuff back here! Oh, that's right! It also comes with the soundtrack on vinyl, which I think more special editions should come with vinyl records, because, obviously. Ah! And How to Be Happy, a brief guide for citizens. Gotta make sure you're happy. Alright, so first, oh my gosh, there's so much going on right now. Alright, is there anything else in here? No. Oh, got my hand stuck. Okay. Okay, I gotta sort this shit out. Hang on a second. Okay. First, let's take a look at the vinyl. Ugh, sorry, plastic noises abound. Wellington Wells Broadcasting Corporation. Whoop. It looks like it's a colored vinyl, which I love special edition colored vinyl. Oh, it's beautiful! Here's side A. And then side B. It's beautiful. It's a game soundtrack. Looks like there's like 5 songs or so on each side. Well, 5 and 6, whatever. But, alright. Next up, How to Be Happy. I think it's got stickers. Stickers? Stickers. Alright, and then a guide on how to be happy by Uncle Jack, of course, because he's like the radio personality, TV personality guy in the show. Looks like this is just a book on fashion and joy and knowing who's in charge. Pretty cool. And then it has a bunch of, like, this is supposed to be like the ad page, like sponsorship page, but there's just a lot of really cool, like very, 1960s style adverts, so it's cool. All right, now this monstrosity. What do we got here? Maybe. Oh God. I apologize. The noise is gonna be awful. Okay. So this is the alarm clock. Very, the 1960s kind of bubble TV style. It's actually really cute. So I'll probably actually use this as a clock, which is awesome when a special edition just doesn't involve crap that you're never gonna use. So this is cool, and I will probably use it. It's an alarm clock, and then this cool light that doesn't have batteries, so I can't turn it on. But this is also cool because it looks very much like, almost like one of those applause lights for TV shows and stuff. So that's cool. And it's very, has the 1960s font and colors and very keeping in with the theme of We Happy Few and what's all going on here. All right. And then lastly, we got this guy. Let's open this guy up. This time I'm gonna use a knife because that'll work better than like tearing it apart with my hands like a Hulk. Ah, there's so much tape on here. It's like getting a present from my little brother. All right. Ooh, this has got some, like, heft to it, this mask. It's so fucking creepy. I love it. Alright, so it looks like this comes with a little stand. Maybe. Yes. So this is actually pretty cool. And, I'm gonna be doing that a lot because it's so fun. And it fits my face kind of perfectly, kind of. It feels nice. Feels nice. But, so it looks like this is everything. But the one thing I do like about We Happy Few is that it has this really cool, like, 1960s aesthetic that is so, like, it was really well thought out. Despite the game being a little bit buggy and a little bit off. But the idea is really cool, and I just hope more places kind of, look at, this alternate future kind of creepy style of horror game, because it's pretty interesting to me. It's really not standard horror, so I like it a lot. But, so thank you so much for watching. You can find me on the internet at Kinszilla, Kinszilla, on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And thank you so much for subscribing, and cheers!